bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota, Baba Oloyin Postal. Baba Oloyin Postal, Yesiota. Baba Oloyin Postal, Yesiota. The program you are working today is Kini Show. Kini Show. Kini Show TV. Yes, I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power. This is part 1. This is the latest book. African Power part 2. This is part 1. This is Honey as a Medicine. This is Healing Power of Honey. This is Solution to Woman Problems. Solution to Woman Problems. And my latest book is African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. Today, I want to tell you about thoughts. Èrò-ọkàn. Thoughts. Do you know thoughts has wings? Èrò-ọkàn ní ìyẹ́. Thoughts has wings that you can use to fly. Yes, some people, they never think good of themselves since they were born. You see some students, when they come out of examination, you ask them, how is your examination today? You say, well, we don't know. You cannot say confidently by the special grace of God, I will pass the exam. When you want to go outside, some people, they say, I don't know that journey. Well, if God says I will come back, I will come back. You tell God and you say confidently, the journey I'm going, I will go and come back. If you are poor, you tell people, I am not going to be poor forever. I am not going to be poor forever. But some people, when they are poor, they will always think that they will die with poverty. It's not like that. The witches and wizards that they are killing people, they don't use juju. They don't use medicine to kill people. They are using thoughts. They will just think it that so person was sick and the person will sick. They will say that so motor will get accident and the motor will get accident. And then some people, when they enter motor, when the driver was just entering the galloping like this, they say, hey, this motor will get accident. If you think of accident, you get the accident. Some people say, hey, they said there are checkpoints, so they will delay us, so they will delay you. But when you say, look, nothing will happen. As I'm going now, by the special grace of God, within 30 minutes or 1 hour, I will come back. Once you put by the special grace of God, it will happen. This is Christmas. New Year, we are entering New Year in some time, 9 days to this time. Some people say, hey, within now, if you think of goodness for yourself, you see it. I remember they said there was a church. A pastor said, who believe he can use motto on the 1st of January. And they were on the 31st of December. Then they were preaching. One pastor said, who believe that tomorrow morning he can use motto, that God can bless him with a car. Many worshippers, they are there with 30 days fasting, 45 days fasting. They didn't believe God can do it. Only one person raised hands. I believe I can use motto tomorrow. I believe I can use motto tomorrow. The rest people were looking at him. Do you want to go and rob? Then the pastor called him and said, they gave him key of a brand new car. And they gave him maintenance money. My fellow, my fans on YouTube, please try to have good thoughts. Think good of yourself. Don't always have negative thinking. Don't. You are barrenless today. You don't have issue, but God can provide for you. You will thank God by the special grace of God. Next December, people will help me thank God because I will be carrying my baby. You are looking for husband. Everything is hard for you now. You couldn't travel because people will be asking of your husband. That's why you ran away from family. By special grace of God, next year, you will have cause to thank God. You don't have wife or your junior brother and sister. Their children are calling you brother. They are calling you auntie. Don't worry. Just have the belief in God and have positive thinking. Positive thinking. I'm telling you. You tell God, I'm not going to die of poverty. When you have that confidence in yourself, then God is ready to assist you. But there are some people, they believe as they are poor, they are going to be poor forever. They will die in poverty. No. You have the positive thinking. Some people, when they are going to shop, come and say, Iloni Jare, I've been going since Monday. So when I go there today, I don't know what the day will bring. Even maybe I will sleep. Even if I go, maybe before 12, I will come back. He will go and will not sell anything because he has developed that negative thinking before leaving the house. But say, I didn't sell yesterday, but I know that as God liveth, I'm going there today and I will make money. I will sell today. You will go there and you make profit. You sell and make profit. So my fellow people, my fans on YouTube, and all these people that are watching me, I just say I should give you this thing. This power of thinking. Always have positive thinking. Positive thinking. Don't forget, this is the latest book in the market. African Power Part 2. If you collect soap from people, about this pastor or prophet, and it's not working, what you will do to revive it again is here. If you don't want them to spoil your soap, it's here. If they always give you soap, you always complain it's not working. This is the soap, this is the book. What you will do is inside this book. Yes. Yes. If you want to have sweet vagina, what you can do is here. Sweet vagina, adodu. Yes, it's here. Just simple thing like this. See, if anybody beats you unnecessarily, unlawfully, you want to revenge, it's here. You don't need to fight the person back. You want to slap me and go away. You will regret it. Bàbá gbọ́ nílé panà mí lòdì ẹ̀yin àgbẹ̀ fọkànbalẹ̀ ibi tí a bá gbé náà wà ilẹ̀ àdánù àrùjọ. Beat me, I will not beat you back. Má gbé ọ káàkiri ni, ọmọ mọ̀ pé nǹkan bẹ. Then I'm warning those who are pirating my book or who are loading things from this book. Please stop it, yo. Kẹ́ ẹ lè rówó ná, kẹ́ ẹ lè rí owó yẹn ná ni o. Don't pirate my book again, o. Enough is enough. Only time I teach on YouTube, they will go and repost. Please stop it. I warn you in the name of God. Don't forget the program you are watching today, Skinny Show. Don't forget to watch my other channels. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. And my son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Adewusi. Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Adewusi. And those of you that are sending gifts to me and sending gifts to Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Mr. Adewusi, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.